A long time ago, my father had a bad accident. I won't go into the details of that, but he was in hospital for a while. The person who really helped him recover was the nurse. There was a nurse station next to him 24/7. I just couldn't believe the work they did. HESTA represents all of our members are nurses, aged care workers and childcare workers. They're so busy looking after us that they're not really looking at their retirement. You know, if we can help them understand it just a little bit more, which makes them take a little bit of action, which turns out that they have a better retirement, that's amazing. That's an amazing day. We've just hit 1 million members. To talk to those 1 million people at scale, it's very hard to go out and talk to them one-to-one. We had a whole bunch of websites all over the place using all different content management systems. So about 6 years ago, we moved to Adobe Experience Manager. The project was to bring that into one place. And then what we call it is content democratization. The second step was, how do we optimize those? What are people doing on there? Where are they getting stuck? And how can we find a way for them to get through? So we then focused on our data. We started tracking everything and we were really quite easily to be able to see, oh, there's an opportunity for optimization there. Like that's not quite a seamless experience. Now we've got that huge data set, we can do things with that, like personalization, for instance. That's kind of the journey we've been on, so it's been quite a lot of fun actually.
You're having a good time, it looks like. What is one thing that is not on your LinkedIn profile that helps you at work every day?
I've got 3 amazing kids. That's sort of the other side of my life.
Has fatherhood changed the way that you approach what you do for work every day?
Yeah, absolutely. It sort of taught me to connect with people. You have to empower other people as well, and you have to set them up for success.
That's beautiful, and I would hope that every kid has a dad like you. Congratulations again. Well done, my friend.